In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Dashlane. Whether you're a new user or someone who's simply looking to refresh their memory, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating to the Dashlane website and accessing your account with ease. First things first, let's get started by opening the web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in Dashlane. This will lead you to a list of search results related to Dashlane, the widely used password manager service. When the search results load, you'll notice several links to choose from. For ease and accuracy, your best bet is to click on the first result that appears. Alternatively, you can also opt for the link with the URL dashlane.com to ensure you're directed to the official website. This step is crucial to avoid any potential scams or phishing websites, so make sure you see dashlane.com in the URL before proceeding. Now that you've made it to the Dashlane homepage, the next step is pretty straightforward. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that button to move forward with the login process. After clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This includes your registered email address and your password. Your email should be the one you used during your initial sign-up with Dashlane. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors. As for the password, if you have it saved in your device or written down somewhere secure, now's a good time to refer to it. Dashlane's login page is also equipped with a show option for your password, enabling you to verify each character for accuracy. In some cases, you may also have the option to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. If you've already set this up, you'll be prompted after entering your email and password. This will generally involve retrieving a code from your phone or through an authentication app. And that's it. You've now successfully logged into Dashlane. Once in, you can access all of your stored passwords, manage new ones, and make any necessary changes to your account. Remember that keeping your login details secure is key to protecting your personal information, so always ensure they are kept confidential. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to check out our channel for more tutorials on the latest tech tools and software. Happy browsing!